At 11.
Now at 11, after a rash of deadly domestic violence incidents in other cities across the country over the past few days, tonight we're taking a closer look at whether there is an increase in domestic violence during the holidays. It is incidents like those that lead to the perception that there's a spike in domestic violence calls this time of year. Good evening. I'm Rob Macco. Jennifer has the night off, but the numbers from the National Domestic Violence Hotline suggest that may not be the case. 13 News reporter Lily Bradley joining us now live with the story. Lily.
That's right, Rob. According to the NDVH, available research linking reports of domestic violence to the holiday season is limited and inconclusive. But that doesn't mean that the violence doesn't exist. And it certainly doesn't stop just because it's the holidays.
And it still may happen. It's just not something that we've seen here. That said, we know domestic violence, it doesn't take a day off.
Not even for the holidays. But here in Charleston, YWCA Resolve Family Abuse Program Director Julie Hayden says they haven't seen a spike in domestic violence cases around the holidays within the last 3 years. But that doesn't mean Hayden and her coworkers aren't prepared.
We are staffed 24/7, especially our shelter 24/7. We have local advocates who are answering our hotline all of the time. So when you call our hotline, it's not somebody out of state, it's somebody right here in Charleston.
Services including a 24/7 shelter, a crisis hotline, and emergency intervention for survivors of domestic violence in Kanawha, Clay, and Boone counties. The program also offers help with things like case management, court advocacy, and counseling for survivors who find they need a little extra help.
People do it alone, and they can do it alone, and people do it alone all of the time, but you don't have to. We have folks here. This is what we do 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days out of the year. Let us help you.
Now the number for that 24-hour domestic violence crisis line is 304-340-3549. And we have more information on the YWCA Resolve Family Abuse Program and other programs offered by the Y on our website, WOWKTV.com. Live in the studio, Lily Bradley, 13 News, working for you.